Well, welcome back to Random Stupid Math. I hope you found that last rant about slope in mathematics useful. But today we're going to talk about something that a lot of mathematicians have already accepted as fact. 0.999 repeating equal to 1, or in other words, 0.9 repeating equal to 1. You might say that, oh, this is the same thing. I mean, same thing. This might be the different things. These are not the same. This right here is 0.99999. It's close to 1, but it isn't 1. Well, I'm here to prove you wrong because there's good old mathematics to help give this along. And the first thing that you do is this proof. You have 1 over 9, and that is equal to 0.1 repeating, or 0.111, comma, dot, dot, dot. And you have to accept this, because why do you have to? Well, because it's a mathematical fact. Anything over 9 is equal to that number repeating. This is just given. And so, what if I multiplied both sides by 9, though? That would mean that I would have to cross some stuff out, such as this. And that would mean that 1 is equal to 0.9 repeating, or 0.999, because if you multiply this by 9, you just get 999, and it just keeps on going. And right there we have our answer right off the bat, that 1 is indeed equal to 0.9 repeating. So there's one more proof, and that involves some algebra, not a lot though. So say we have x, and we define x to be 0.9 repeating. Yes, seems simple enough. And what if we multiply by 10? That would mean that 10x would equal 9.999, right? Just shift it over 1. And now what if we subtracted x by both sides? 10x minus x, well, that would be just 9.999 repeating, minus the x that we already defined would be 0.99999. And anything equal to anything, if you have 0.999, and you're going to subtract 0.999, well, these are equal, it's just going to be 0, cancel out. What does that mean? It means 9x is equal to 9. And last step here, home stretch, divide both sides by 9, and what do you get? X is equal to 1. But wait, didn't we already define earlier that x was equal to 0.9 repeating? Well, yes. Well, that must mean something, shouldn't it? Yes, it does, because according to the transitive property now, if x is equal to 0.9 repeating, but x is also equal to 1, then through the transitive property, 0.9 repeating must also equal 1.